headed home for Big Bear and then went back to LGE CTS to start the process and of course fix our front bumper. The front end of the 5th gen is pretty iconic with its styling, and it's one of the reasons we got one in the first place, so we wanted to keep that intact. Installing a steel front bumper and skid plate will help to protect the front end and provide more ground clearance. Victory 4x4's Blitz front bumper, like all of their accessories, are manufactured in-house in the USA with quality and functionality in mind. The cover was badly ripped, so we opted to get an OEM replacement that LGE sprayed to match. Once the lower center section is cut out of the bumper cover, it is test fit and removed to mount the light and the winch. We're also going to be replacing the factory fog light bulbs with new LED direct replacements from Southern Off-Road. One of the most notable styling differences of the TRD Pro version to the regular 4Runners is a much cleaner grille with no emblem. A 20-inch dual-row E-Series light from Rigid Industries is going to take care of our spotlight. The Victory bumper is a perfect mounting point for a hefty winch, so we're installing Mile Marker's SEC 8 8,000-pound winch. And the general rule of thumb is to have a winch that is rated for 1.5 times the weight of your vehicle. All the wiring for the solenoid to the winch and power and ground lines are ran. We offset the solenoid box in the center of the winch to ensure that we'd have enough clearance for the grill. On 4Runners, you're going to need to loosen and rotate up the front AC line to ensure plenty of clearance for the winch. Another multifunction form of protection is a pair of rock sliders from Victory 4x4. Steps only need to be able to hold up a person or two for a short period of time. Now sliders need to be able to hold up the entire weight of the vehicle. A smooth surface on the bottom of the rock sliders helps your vehicle to slide off and not get hung up on anything.